Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of a jewelry subscription named Talisa, if I'm saying that correctly. And I've never really seen a jewelry subscription box, but this one right here also has some really unique features to the subscription, and it's really customizable as well. So I'm going to go over all of that with you. We're going to unbox and see what beautiful jewelry pieces I got. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what goodies are in my Talisa box, then just keep watching. The Talisa box is a personalized jewelry subscription service with a try-at-home experience, which you're probably like, well, what does that mean? But basically, once you receive your box in the mail, you have 7 days to decide if you would like to keep any or all the items. Whatever you don't want, you can ship back for free. So that's one of the unique details that I was talking about. I've never seen that before, where you get to test out the jewelry that you picked out and was customized for you. And then if you don't want any of the pieces, or you want to just keep one, ship 2 back or whatever, you can, and you do it for free. So that's a really unique feature. It kind of walks you through that right here on the box, but that's what sets this aside from like many subscription services, not even jewelry, where you kind of get to test it out for 7 days and ship it back. So I really do like that. There is a personalized touch to this, meaning that you're going to take a style quiz, and it's going to ask you a bunch of questions to figure out what styles of jewelry that you prefer. Do you like silver? Do you like gold? Do you like shorter chains, longer chain necklaces, bracelets, earrings? What colors do you like? Do you want it to be customized with a name? There's a bunch of different like gemstones, phrases, symbols on their website. They have so many selections. So it's really cool. You can do something sentimental, like say you wanted to get a necklace made with your pet's name, you could, or engraved with something, you could. There are so many options, like you guys will see when you go to the website. There is a stylist involved, so this is Kira. That is the stylist that customized my jewelry today. It says, I hope these pieces are a good match for your style. Try them out, try them on, and let me and the team know if we got it right. And then say I do want to return one or more of the items before that 7-day time frame is up. They include the return shipping label. You just have to pop it on the box with the items you're returning and then drop it off to any USPS or post office. That's it. They make it super easy. So I really do like that they include the shipping label as well, and that you have that option to return one or more within that 7-day time frame. So I believe I mentioned that each box includes 3 or more pieces. So the box today that I received, that we're going to get into shortly, has 3 jewelry items. Each item that you do receive is going to range from about $50 to $150. And obviously, whatever you keep is what you're going to be charged for. There is also a $20 stylist fee, which basically includes preparation, shipping, handling, and the stylist picks. But what's cool about that $20 fee is whatever you do keep, it's going to go toward a credit from whatever items were kept. So that's really cool. And lastly, inside the box is actually what I am going to be opening up and receiving. So it kind of just shows you basically what you're getting. So it's crazy because everything in the box is 18 karat gold. And in the style quiz, I put gold. I don't know. I'm more of a gold person. I very rarely wear silver, but that's where that quiz comes in. It really helps to customize and personalize what your preferences and picks are. So that's just kind of like a sheet going over what is inside the box. So I believe I covered everything other than taking that quiz. Basically, you're just going to schedule when you want the box delivered. And once it comes, you've got 7 days to figure out what you want. And it's that simple. So I'm really excited to kind of like, I've peeked at these, but I'm excited to kind of fully see what's going on here based on the style quiz that I took. So this is what the first box looks like, and the boxes are really nice. We're going to pull this out. I believe it's earrings, I want to say. So it comes in a nice little pouch, and they're little small gold hoop earrings. Really pretty. So it comes with a nice little pouch. I love these little storage pouches, FYI, for when I'm traveling, especially. I like to keep them to put jewelry in. So this is what the small gold hoop looks like. just close up. I'm gonna put these on in a second, but I just wanted to show you. So that's what the earrings look like on. They're very pretty, very simple. Again, you could wear these dressed up or casually, and they're not too heavy. They're very comfortable. So these are the earrings that it came with. And again, according to this little sheet right here, these are called the Chunky Hoop Earrings, 18 karat gold. Next, let's see what's in this box right here. This is what the box looks like. We're gonna pull this little tab open. And I'm really excited about this one, you guys, because I do not have a necklace that says my name on it. Now, I know that sounds corny, but it says Ashley. Yes, I know it's backwards again, but I'm really excited about this. Also, with the necklaces, they ask you what length you want, and I like the shortest length. So there's like all different chain lengths. So I forget exactly what size it was, excuse me, but I put the shortest length down. This is what the necklace looks like with the earrings. I'm obsessed with it. Again, this was the shortest chain, so it's gonna be a little bit tighter around your neck. Now, I don't have it on the tightest loop in the back or hook, so I could go a little bit tighter. So far, I'm loving everything. And again, according to the little sheet, if I can find it, this necklace right here is the Talisa Italic Name Necklace, 18 karat gold. Last but not least, I actually forgot what this was. We're gonna open this up so we can see what it is. And I'm not sure. Let's see what the sheet says. We have a pearl bloom bracelet, 18 karat gold. So that's what the picture looks like, and we're gonna see it in person. That's what it looks like right there. How stunning. So that's what the bracelet looks like. It's so beautiful and simple, and that's what it looks like with everything on. I can wear everything together. And again, I love gold, but it's gonna ask you those preferences, and it's also gonna ask you your wrist measurement as well. So they wanna get it right. That's why they do the quiz. And since I was just putting this on myself and I didn't have anybody to help me, it's not on the tightest actual hook, or else I would have it on the tightest one. But that's what it looks like. I'm obsessed. So I definitely wanted to share this subscription box with you from Talisa. Their jewelry is beautiful. They have a bunch of different, it's almost overwhelming in a way, but that's why they have stylists in the quiz to help you. They have so many different selections and jewelry there. I was looking at a lot of like the birthstone stuff. They have pet related, sentimental, anything like that. It'd be a great gift. So if you guys are interested, look in the description down below. Anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.